Have you ever wondered about the enigmatic figure known as Dajjal? This entity of deception, often referred to as the Antichrist, holds a prominent place in Islamic eschatology. Today, we delve into the mysterious and captivating story of Dajjal, the ultimate deceiver. The tale of Dajjal is as intriguing as it is chilling. It is said that Dajjal, a figure of immense power and deceit, will emerge during the end times. Offering false miracles and promises, Dajjal will lead many astray, manipulating minds and performing supernatural feats that can beguile even the most steadfast of believers. The legend tells us that Dajjal will rise from the east, spreading his deceptive ideology across the globe. His charisma will be mesmerizing, his influence wide-reaching, as he skillfully leads many down a path of falsehood. His reign will be marked by chaos and confusion. Dajjal will seek to establish a false utopia, claiming to hold the ultimate truth. Yet this truth will be nothing more than a mirage, a carefully crafted illusion to ensnare the unsuspecting. But fear not, for Dajjal will not go unchallenged. It is believed that the true followers of righteousness and faith will rise against Dajjal's tyranny. These individuals, steadfast in their beliefs, will strive to reveal the truth hidden behind the deceptive facade of Dajjal. Yet, to challenge Dajjal, one must first understand Dajjal. Dajjal's influence is subtle, his allure tempting. It's crucial to be vigilant and aware, for only through knowledge and understanding can we truly unmask Dajjal and safeguard ourselves from his cunning deception. So, continue with us on this fascinating journey. As we peel back the layers of mystery surrounding Dajjal, we reveal the ultimate truth. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and above all, keep